Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a powerful truth that can change the course of our lives. Discipline equals freedom. At first, this idea might sound like a contradiction. We often think of discipline as rules, restrictions, or limitations, and freedom as the ability to do whatever we want. But in reality, it is discipline that gives us control over our lives, our choices, and our future. Without discipline, freedom is nothing more than chaos. With discipline, we gain the power to live with purpose, direction, and true independence. Discipline is the foundation of self-control. When we develop the ability to delay gratification, resist distractions, and stay committed to what truly matters, we gain the power to control our actions instead of being controlled by impulses. True freedom is not about indulging every desire. It's about having the strength to choose what's right, even when it's hard. A disciplined life provides structure that prevents us from wasting time and energy. Without discipline, life can feel scattered and unfocused. But when we set routines, create habits, and follow them consistently, we carve a clear path toward our goals. That path becomes our roadmap to freedom, the freedom to achieve what we dream of without being lost in distractions. No skill, no talent, and no achievement comes without discipline. Musicians, athletes, leaders, all of them reach excellence not because of luck, but because of daily discipline. Freedom comes from being capable, prepared, and skilled. Discipline gives us mastery, and mastery opens the doors to limitless opportunities. Money is one of the areas where discipline plays the biggest role. When we control our spending, save consistently, and invest wisely, we earn the freedom to live without debt or financial stress. Without financial discipline, people often become slaves to their expenses. With discipline, money becomes a tool for freedom, not a chain of limitations. Physical health and mental clarity both depend on discipline. Choosing to exercise regularly, eat healthily, sleep well, and manage stress requires discipline. But it gives us the freedom to enjoy energy, focus, and vitality in life. Without it, our bodies and minds trap us in fatigue, illness, and weakness. The ultimate truth is this: freedom is not found in avoiding discipline. It is achieved through it. Discipline may feel hard in the short term, but it unlocks long-term independence. When we discipline ourselves today, we free ourselves tomorrow from regret, from limitation, and from the weight of wasted potential. Discipline is the cornerstone of self-control, and self-control is the essence of freedom. When we talk about discipline, we are really talking about training ourselves to act with intention instead of impulse. Every day we are faced with countless temptations, whether it's procrastinating on important tasks, spending time on distractions, or giving in to unhealthy habits. Without discipline, we become prisoners of those urges. We think we are free when we do what we want, but in reality, we are being controlled by our emotions, desires, and impulses. Discipline, however, flips this equation. It gives us the power to pause, to think, and to choose what aligns with our long-term goals rather than what feels good in the moment. For example, a student who has the discipline to study every day gains the freedom to excel in exams without last-minute panic. A professional who controls their time and avoids distractions has the freedom to produce quality work and still have time for family. Even in small moments, like resisting the urge to check social media while working, we exercise self-control that builds into greater freedom over time. Discipline becomes the internal compass that keeps us aligned with what matters most, rather than being tossed around by every temptation or mood. This kind of self-control doesn't come overnight. It is built like a muscle, slowly, with consistency, and through repeated practice. Every time we say a no to something that weakens us and yes to something that strengthens us, we reinforce that muscle. Over time, discipline gives us the ability to live not by chance, but by choice. And that ability to choose consciously and wisely is the deepest form of freedom a person can ever experience. Discipline is not about punishment. It is about power, specifically the power to control ourselves. Most people confuse freedom with doing whatever they feel like in the moment. But when we look closer, that kind of a freedom is often just another form of slavery. If you can't resist unhealthy food, then your cravings control you. If you can't put your phone down, then technology controls you. If you can't focus on your goals, then distractions control you. Discipline is the tool that frees us from those chains by strengthening our ability to say no when it matters most, and yes, when it truly counts. Think of an athlete preparing for a championship. They wake up early, train relentlessly, eat clean, and repeat the same disciplined routines day after day. In the moment, it might feel restrictive. They can't party late at night, they can't indulge in junk food, they can't waste hours on television. But that very discipline grants them freedom. The freedom to perform at their peak, the freedom to stand on the podium, the freedom to enjoy the rewards of success. The same is true for soldiers. Military training is built on discipline, from strict routines to relentless drills. To outsiders, it may seem like a lack of freedom. But ask any soldier, and they will tell you that discipline in training gives them the freedom to survive in combat, to make quick decisions under pressure, and to protect not only themselves, but those around them. Even in everyday life, discipline determines whether we are in control or controlled by circumstances. An entrepreneur who manages their time, invests effort consistently, and avoids distractions gains the freedom to build their dream business. Student who disciplines themselves to study a little every day gains the freedom to walk into an exam hall with confidence instead of fear. A parent who shows discipline in managing finances gains the freedom to provide security for their family. These are not small freedoms. They are life-changing. Discipline is like a shield against the chaos of impulses. It doesn't make life rigid, it makes life intentional. Each act of discipline strengthens our willpower, sharpens our focus, and builds resilience. Over time, it transforms into a habit and then into character. When we master ourselves, we unlock the ability to master any challenge life throws at us. And that is where real freedom begins. Not in surrendering to every desire, but in controlling those desires and directing them toward a higher purpose. One of the greatest struggles in life is not a lack of talent or potential, but a lack of focus. Many people have dreams, ambitions, and the desire to succeed, but without structure, those dreams remain scattered thoughts that never materialize. Discipline is what provides that structure. It acts as a guiding framework that organizes our time, our energy, and our actions so that instead of drifting aimlessly, we move with clarity and purpose. Imagine a person who wakes up every day without a plan. They may have good intentions, but without structure, the day quickly slips away. Hours get wasted, distractions consume attention, and at the end of the day, little is accomplished. Compare that to someone who lives with discipline. They wake up with a routine, they prioritize their tasks, and they move steadily toward their goals. The disciplined person may not be the most talented or the most gifted, but because they have direction, they consistently make progress. George. Over weeks, months, and years, this structured approach compounds into significant achievements. Discipline is what transforms big goals into manageable steps. For instance, someone who dreams of writing a book can feel overwhelmed by the magnitude of the task. But with discipline, they create a daily writing routine, maybe just 1 page a day. That structure turns an impossible dream into a completed manuscript over time. Similarly, someone working toward a fitness goal doesn't achieve results by going to the gym once in a while. They reach it by creating a disciplined schedule that keeps them consistent. Structure ensures that effort is not random, but strategic. This direction is also what protects us from the chaos of indecision. Without discipline, every choice feels overwhelming. Should I do this or that? Should I start today or tomorrow? Indecision wastes energy and creates stress. But discipline replaces uncertainty with clarity. A disciplined routine doesn't leave room for second guessing. It provides a clear path forward, freeing the mind from confusion and hesitation. In that sense, discipline is not restrictive. It is liberating because it removes the burden of constantly questioning what to do next. Think about some of the most successful people in the world, leaders, innovators, athletes, or creators. Their lives are not ruled by randomness. They operate on systems, routines, and habits built by discipline. That structure is their secret weapon. It keeps them aligned with their mission and ensures that even on the days when motivation fades, their direction doesn't change. Motivation can fluctuate, but discipline keeps the compass steady. When we look at the lives of people who achieve greatness, one thing stands out. They don't leave life up to chance. They create a system, a structure, and a disciplined approach that guides them forward. Without this framework, even the most talented individuals can lose their way. Think of a ship without a compass. It may float, but it will never reach a destination. Discipline is that compass. It gives direction to our energy and ensures that we are not just busy, but productive in a meaningful way. Take the example of Elon Musk. Managing multiple companies at the same time might sound impossible for the average person. But Musk relies on a disciplined system of structuring his days down to 5-minute blocks. That level of discipline prevents wasted time and allows him to give attention to projects that others would find overwhelming. His discipline doesn't just create structure, it creates the freedom to innovate, to dream big, and to execute ideas that change the world. Or consider Serena Williams, one of the greatest athletes of all time. Her talent was undeniable, but talent alone would never have made her a champion. It was her discipline, the hours of structured practice, the strict routines, the unwavering commitment that gave her direction and kept her at the top of her sport for decades. Without discipline, talent withers. With discipline, talent flourishes. Even in smaller, everyday examples, discipline is what separates progress from stagnation. A student with no study plan may spend long hours with books yet retain very little because their energy is scattered. But a student with a disciplined schedule, specific hours for study, specific breaks, and a set structure, learns faster, remembers more, and stays on track. Likewise, someone trying to get fit may jump from one workout to another, quitting after a few days. But with a structured, disciplined plan, their effort becomes consistent and results naturally follow. Another overlooked benefit of discipline is how it eliminates decision fatigue. When we don't have structure, we waste mental energy constantly deciding what to do next. Or should I work now or later? Should I rest or keep going? This back and forth thinking drains motivation. But a disciplined routine removes the guesswork. You don't debate whether to exercise. You already know it's part of your day. You don't question when to start your project. You follow the plan. That clarity itself is freedom because it liberates the mind from the exhausting weight of indecision. At its core, discipline is about building habits that carry us forward even when motivation fades. Motivation is like fuel. It burns quickly. Discipline is like the engine. It keeps going steadily, mile after mile, day after day. And just like an engine gives a vehicle direction and momentum, discipline gives our lives the structure needed to move forward with certainty and purpose. Mastery in any field, whether it's art, science, business, sports, or personal growth, does not come from luck, shortcuts, or bursts of inspiration. It comes from discipline. Discipline is the silent force that transforms ordinary effort into extraordinary skill. It is the daily commitment to practice, to learn, to repeat, and to refine, even when the process feels boring, repetitive, or difficult. While motivation may get us started, it is discipline that keeps us moving forward on the long, often lonely road toward mastery. Think of a world-class musician. Their talent may impress people on stage, but what the audience doesn't see are the countless hours spent practicing scales, rehearsing pieces, and perfecting techniques behind closed doors. Those hours are not fueled by excitement every single time. They are powered by discipline. It is this discipline that creates mastery, so that when the musician finally performs, the movements flow effortlessly, almost as if they were born with the skill. But, in truth, it was built, brick by brick, through years of structured discipline. The same principle applies to athletes. Michael Jordan, often considered the greatest basketball player of all time, wasn't just gifted. He was relentlessly disciplined. He practiced longer than his teammates, studied his weaknesses, and worked tirelessly to improve them. His mastery of the game didn't come from talent alone. It came from discipline applied consistently over years. Kobe Bryant followed the same philosophy, famously waking up at 4 a.m. to train while others slept. That discipline gave him an edge so sharp that he was able to dominate his sport and inspire millions. In the world of science and innovation, we see the same truth. Thomas Edison conducted thousands of experiments before successfully inventing the light bulb. Most people would have given up after a handful of failures,